हर चीज में क्या क्या क्या
यही कि टेक द डिसीजन
उठते हैं कदम रुक जाते हैं दिल हमको कभी समझाता है हम दिल को कभी समझाते हैं
Why don't we get the...
तुझे पसंद नहीं आएगा मैं देख के ही पता लगा सकती हूँ
The lack of sleep really get me. The story.
What was the story?
Which one?
What was the story?
You said no he had another I don't remember the third one
This is when this is in formative years for me. Year 9, year 10. So when the brain is most developing. So maybe this is the most influential. But so I wasn't there at this point. I don't know why. But Bicester Village. It's how do you describe it?
very only branded things are sold high brands are sold
High
I don't know why did we went there also
High brands, no money.
no money
Yeah, so the perfect place. But even still, this happened. Which showed the level which we were at that point. So then we were going around, and then I think Neil couldn't buy a lot of clothes. I think he was getting said no, or he himself was saying no because he knew that mom and papa's monetary sit. So then he was biting his lip, and I think there was one crunch turning point where he was just I'm gonna buy every single store in this and come back here in 2 years and die. And within all these stories there's a common theme. Within a few years he'll come and buy it. So let's see if Ben comes to buy.
do you remember that
Buy all these stores.
do you remember
Let's get inside the house first.
Oh, मेरा नील phones.
Are we going to do shoes on or shoes off?
On.
we can give commentary
Okay. So start off with the fart firstly, by my dad. So we have the Wi-Fi router. There's a good view of the outhouse, or not outhouse, whatever that is. Magnetic phone charger. That is very good.
how's the bathroom
Yeah, actually good as well.
सिंह अंदर के छोड़िए
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Horrible. आते के साथ.
Made the house experience so bad. The smell.
Wow.
पास में देखो oh wow
Everybody said the same thing. अच्छा डॉग है इधर.
Have fun here.
Oh nice.
दारू पियेंगे, बात करेंगे.
This is nice. This is nice.
So many games.
Games room,
Games room so बच्चे.
study room. Anybody wants to?
Neil work now.
Hey.
Why not there for us?
Wow. Look at the flowers.
Oh, this is some one place where we've been in the past.
Hey, apple juice.
Oh, she said she's given us gifts. Really, and Kiran, focus on these gifts that she's left us. Cornish shortbread, Cornish apple juice, and prosecco.
Cornish दूध as well.
Free है क्या?
This compliment.
Hey, put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge.
And towels are all nicely placed. How sweet. What a lovely. Amazing, amazing. ये kitchen अच्छा है.
So, 3 bedrooms.
होश उड़े तो उड़ जाए दिल कब से तेरा चला है राह उड़े तो उड़ जाए.
I'd like to say thank you for everyone for being here. This trip has been a long time in the making. Ever since we went to, I think it was Hyderabad in December, we've been wishing that you guys come here and spend some time with us. Yeah, I think it's been a long time. We've been looking forward to it. There's a lot of planning that's gone into it, and we hope that you guys have had as much of a fun time as we had in Hyderabad. It's been a pleasure having you guys, including my flat, which had 1 blocked drain, 2 blocked shower, 3 a fire that nearly killed me. Thank God you guys were not there for that. But yeah, hopefully we won't have any of those here. Then Mum, thank you for organizing all of this stuff in St. Ives. Papa, thank you for driving us here in a big car.
And providing the mornings.
Yes. And Nikhil, thank you for your presence on time. And for bringing the good vibes and for showing us dancing in bar salsa.
And for getting her first portfolio of a
Gora.
So, all around, I think this has been a very successful time. Thank you.
Oh,
Largely, I am very grateful for the time off that we're getting to spend with each other and to see everybody taking a break most of the time. Hopefully, no more laptop and no more meetings. And as Nikhil also said today, it's very good to take a break and time off and to spend this time with each other, and that's been great.
perfect.
Yeah, so first thing I want to say, Kiran Masi Cookie, thank you for coming here. Normally we always go to India and we are the guests. We are the people who are shown hospitality and shown kindness, shown around the whole place. Now I think it's your guys' turn to take the back seat. You guys be the tourists and let us take that. Let us take that role. But in order for that to happen, we needed some good planning. So Neil, thank you for planning on the weekend. It was actually really impressive seeing you plan, like that short notice. Mom, obviously thank you with the long-term planning. You have that pattern sorted. Papa with the monies and with the general awareness, your room awareness. and the car as visually displayed. Yes. And yes, thank you for the Kiran Masi and Cookie presents. Will always be loved, always cherished. And hopefully we can give back the hospitality which you guys showed us all the time. Cheers! Cheers!
So जब से हम लोग का आइडिया है, एक्चुअली ये ट्रिप होना नहीं था. Suddenly we were sitting in Hyderabad one day and I said, come ना. कितना टाइम बाकी है अभी हम लोगों का, इसी में हम लोगों को एंजॉय करना पड़ेगा. बूढ़े हो जाएंगे तो फिर कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. Let's do it. She said, हाँ, मैं अपना फोटोशूट्स करके I will cover my trip. I'll ask Nindani to cover Cookie's little bit trip and Cookie will give her own. Let's do it करके the idea was born. Otherwise उस दिन अगर वो बात नहीं हुआ होता तो ये होता भी नहीं. So and initially it was just her coming. Then she said,
and then you guys called me up and I was like, wow. And they were like, "अभी बात करने पर side में आओ." Then I went to the other cabin and they were like, नहीं हम लोग तो मम्मी को बोली कि मैं तो जा रही हूँ 2 महीना के लिए, if you want to come come. I'm like, hey, hold on. Give me time to think. I want to come.
Yeah, it was literally just her coming. इसलिए ध्यान ही नहीं आया. So anyway, so it was. I'm glad that idea happened, and that means that if we think about something, it will happen. It does happen. So the thing is to think out of the general, our day-to-day thing, get out of it, and then only these wonderful things happen. And so that's why you cannot remain stuck in your stuff.
Yeah, how does that
And if
even
you
realize
get
that?
stuck in if you get stuck in your thing, then you allow other people who are unstuck to to float those ideas, go with those ideas, especially directed to some people who shall not be named.
Yeah, too much here.
Anyway, thanks for this company, maza aa gaya, and this opportunity also to meet the girls. That was good.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, that was nice also. So I'm just out and out enjoying myself.
नहीं अच्छा.
Hey, but finish though. No, I mean the point is not to record. The point is to hear what you have to say.
Yeah. Finish it.
That's what. Oh. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
What else? You didn't have to say only that.
No, but seriously, this time I find very special. I really was not touched, but अच्छा लगा. Like first time we stayed late, longer, and then we didn't have to rush. We were living a normal day life. Usually 2 हफ्ते में आते हैं, ये करो वो करो. You don't get time to talk. इंद्र से कितना बात किया about future work and this and that. Then
Really missing him.
then Jenny also spoke to him.
We would have loved all what we did.
तो वो चलता. So this time I'm not under pressure. आओ जो करना करो देखा जाएगा बाद में.
Yeah, I mean, I guess you'll have the more everyday, day-to-day life once cookie is
So
over.
next time, we'll get him also. You'll make Schengen.
Go to Europe.
And now we can enjoy because kids are independent. वो आएंगे.
और यूरोप
आएंगे.
में लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइविंग है, तब तक होपफुली सीख लेगा. We'll drive to Europe.
Okay. Go Kiran Masi.
So for me, जब हम लोग when we were talking, that we have to come and all that, I said yes, and but I didn't mean it at all. I swear, no, I didn't mean it. I said हाँ चलेंगे. I made okay. It sounded very convincing, and but then later when I thought about it, कि so much इतना वीजा ये वो करना है, it was a big headache.
Yeah,
But then I got kind of pressurized because I had committed.
Oh. No one was pressurizing
No,
you.
नहीं, visa process was actually bad.
Yeah. No. But then once I started getting into it, and then it.
Oh, the number of questions are पूरा ये the.
कि yes, finally I am going and I should go. Okay? Because visa was really a tension.
Yeah.
But then yes, glad that we could come, and it's been a very different experience this time because we are doing very different thing what we are actually not doing done before. And yes, I'm enjoying it.
Good.
Yes.
Cheers everyone.
Yeah, I think it's good also because you guys have become big and you guys are planning and then cookies and then with all your.
But then I always think the impulsive thing is always, yeah, and I always take an impulsive decisions. Good that we did.
Yeah. Nice.
I like to plan.
Well,
You all are planning, but मेरे से नहीं होता. It's like
नहीं,
it's
you,
time to
because
go.
in India you can go without planning. Here you have to plan. Otherwise you first of all end up paying through your nose, and secondly you'll have a bad time. So why? So
No,
With all your.
but then I always think the impulsive thing is always, yeah, and I always take an impulsive decisions. Good that we did.
yeah. Nice.
I like to plan.
Well,
You all are planning, but मेरे से नहीं होता. It's like
नहीं,
it's
you,
time to
because
go.
in India you can go without planning. Here you have to plan. Otherwise you first of all end up paying through your nose, and secondly you'll have a bad time. So why?